I just got back from Target shopping Clinique's gift sets for the holidays. I want to show you a few gifts that you can give your loved ones for under $50 and even under $30. Now I did purchase a few of these gift sets to create an entire from beginning to end look, skincare and everything. So I will have all of these gift sets linked below that you can find at Target. And yes, today's video is sponsored by Clinique. So thank you so much, Clinique, for sponsoring today's video. Now the first gift set we're gonna dive into is the Moisture Surge gift set. You get the Clinique Moisture Surge Mini, a Clinique Moisture Surge face spray, and a Clinique Moisture Surge overnight mask. Now I'm just going to use the first two for this video, but this gift set is $20, and Clinique's Moisture Surge is iconic, you guys. So first we're going to use Clinique's Moisture Surge, which is a favorite for dry skin. I do have dry skin. Oh, it just feels so nice, honestly, after a full day of like shopping and all that stuff. This is so nice. So I'm gonna double up on my moisture and go ahead in with the Moisture Surge face spray. It's so nice, so nice. Oh my god. And honestly, this is all I'm putting on my skin today other than these color products, and I'm gonna create just a quick look using these gift sets. The next gift set I'm gonna use is the Ultimate Eye Lineup gift set, and this is $40. You get 3 eyeliners, 1 high impact gel tech eyeliner, throwback, quick liners in brown and blue. So today I'm gonna go ahead and use the brown one, and you get a liquid liner. So I am just going to go ahead and apply this brown liner, the quick liner for eyes intense, as my base for the next step that I'm going to do. Line my upper lash line. And I'm gonna go ahead and smudge this with my finger on my lid, just for some quick pigmentation. Also a great option for people who like full glam, because you can go full glam with these as well. You don't have to just do a quick eye smudge. I'm just kind of winging it out to just kind of map out the shape that I want. And you get blue, which is an intense like navy, deepened black and blue, and you get a black high impact gel liner, which is a deep black. So you can totally use all 3. And actually I'm gonna go ahead and line my upper waterline with this just to deepen my lash line. Instant impact. Ooh. Like how I said that? Like how I did that? The next gift set that I'm going to use is the Black Honey Lip and Cheek Duo. You get a cheek palette with 2 blushes and a highlighter, as well as in Black Honey. Now this is a limited edition palette. Look how cute. Okay, you get a cheek pop highlighter and 2 blushes. This shade right here, all over my lids. I'm gonna go ahead and set the liner that I just applied to my lid with this. I love a good face palette because they can be used as eyeshadows as well. And this is $45, so totally under 50 bucks. You can give someone a face palette, but it can also be used as eyeshadow. Like, it doesn't have to be just one thing. It's the ultimate gift. And now I'm gonna take that same shade that's in the center here, and I'm going to dust that on my cheeks as blush and connect it to my eyeshadow. This is such a beautiful, like, deep rose blush shade. So easy to use, especially as eyeshadow as well. And now I'm gonna show you a little trick. Go ahead and go into the lightest blush here, same brush, and then apply that to the center of the cheeks for a little bit of an ombre effect with your blush and over the nose. And then same brush, go ahead, dip into the highlight shade and use as highlight. Look at that, freaking gorgeous. Are you kidding me? Out of all of the gift sets that I purchased today, I feel like this is my favorite one. But we will need one more to complete the look. I just want you guys to see what someone can do with these gift sets. Like, if you give these as gifts, like, there's so many options for the person to do that it's just absolutely, you're welcome. Such great idea. Now I'm gonna dip my finger into the highlight, and I'm going to apply this to my lid in the inner corner. Like, what? You know what I'm saying? You're welcome. And the brow bone. This cheek palette is so stunning and is going to be so flattering on so many skin tones. I know I'm very fair, but this is going to be so flattering on deeper skin tones, like probably even more flattering, honestly. The deep, like beautiful rose tones, so perfect for multiple skin tones. I'm gonna dip that same finger into the lightest shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to the center of my eyelid. I'm gonna pick up the Moisture Surge face spray. And by the way, this gift set is called Skin School, which, yes girl, we all need. And I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face one more time, just for that extra glow, that extra moisture, before we apply anything else, especially mascara. And this will just make everything we just applied to the face super seamless and glowy. Want to jazz it up? You can, because you have liquid liner in this gift set. Like what? Such a good gift set. And this liner, like the precision you can get, I'll show you, because I'm gonna do a little bit of like a winged liner, but like a modern vibe, okay? So I'm just going to wing this out and wing it back in right there and stop. Like, did you see that precision? That was just 2 strokes. That was 2 strokes, okay? And I'm just going to, look at that. I just did that in 2 seconds. Like, literally, excuse me. I'm sorry for blowing your mind. Did you see how easy that was to get like a cute graphic liner vibe? Yeah. You can get ridiculous with it too if you want. You can go back in with the brown liner. Go ahead and connect that a little bit and say your line was not as perfect, but it should be, because this liner is so easy to use. Just kind of press and smudge. And then you have like the perfect winged graphic liner for the holidays. And yes, they are sneaking up, so you're welcome for doing this video. Boom, boom. Are we looking cool as heck? Yes. Blend a little more. And now I'm gonna go into the Cult Classics on the Go gift set. That's $20, and you get a black honey lipstick and Clinique High Impact mascara. Now, this mascara is the first high-end mascara I ever used, which is just so nostalgic, but also a great one to go back to and remind yourself, like, whew, Clinique's got it going on. I also really like mini mascaras because I like a short wand. I feel like I have more control and I get way less all over my eyelids, which is a big perk. Well, other than that, which is a big perk when you have hooded lids. And all you need is a couple coats, even 1 coat if you want to be a little more natural. I'm gonna do 2 coats just because we did a fun graphic liner. Now, this is where it gets wild, and I can show you an amazing thing you can do with these gift sets. Go ahead and take that brown eyeliner, okay? You don't have to do this step, but I love a lip liner. So I'm gonna line my lips with the Clinique Quick Liner for eyes in the brown shade. Cult Classics gift set. I'm gonna go in with the Black Honey Classic, Cult Classic, which I love. The Black Honey is like a thing now. It makes me feel so nostalgic. Obviously, I'm 36. So Black Honey being amazing is nothing new to me. Definitely head to Target, pick up Clinique's gift sets, whether it's 1 for $20 or under $50. Amazing gift ideas, everything will be linked in the info box below. Let me know what you think with what we created today. I absolutely love it. I mean, I feel like I'm ready to go take holiday photos. You know what I'm saying? Very fall, very holiday, very vampy glam. I love it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Clinique, for sponsoring today's video.
All right.